To sell Printful designs on Etsy, start by creating a Printful account and connecting it to your Etsy shop. This integration allows you to easily import and sync your designs with Etsy. Begin by designing your products using Printful's online designer tool or by uploading your own designs. Ensure your designs meet Printful's requirements and guidelines. Next, set up your Etsy shop by creating a professional profile, adding a profile picture and cover photo. Optimize your shop with relevant keywords to improve visibility in search results. Create a new listing for your Printful design, adding high-quality product images and detailed descriptions. Set a competitive price for your product, taking into account Printful's base price and your desired profit margin. When setting up your listing, make sure to select the correct production partner, which in this case is Printful. Choose the correct product type and configure the variants, such as size, color, and material. Add a personal touch to your listing by including a personalized message or packaging option. To fulfill orders, Printful will handle production and shipping. When a customer places an order, Printful will receive the order details and produce the item. You can track the order status and communicate with the customer through Etsy. Provide excellent customer service by responding to reviews and resolving any issues promptly. To increase sales and visibility, utilize Etsy ads and promote your shop on social media platforms. Collaborate with influencers or other sellers to expand your reach. Analyze your sales and performance using Etsy Analytics and make adjustments to optimize your listings and marketing strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can successfully sell Printful designs on Etsy and grow your business.